Hey guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I hope you're excited for a power class. Let's get our skates laced up and get to the class. For the first exercise, we are going to be going around the perimeter of the rink, doing alternating forward, outside stroke. Next, we have tempo crossovers. We are going to do 2 slow crossovers, 3 count each, followed by 3 quick crossovers. Let's do 2 circles of each direction. Now we have our pie crust drill. I love this one. Think of it as a half power pull. We're going to do forward outside, forward inside, and back outside and back inside. Keep your shoulders and hips level on these. Last but not least, we have alternating lunges, so let's finish up with a leg burner. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and save, and see you guys next time. Happy skating!